going to show you about what? About how to grill the head of kitchen like this. Everyone, this is the head of kitchen that we already much ingredient of it and already cooked too, but we take it to grill again for more delicious, everyone. And also we have much vegetable, everyone. We have vegetable like this, and also this one, everyone, we call chili sauce to eat each other, to eat together like this. So now let me cook and let me grill the head of kitchen, everyone. So let's go with me. Everybody, this the head of kitchen that we already much ingredient already and already cooked, but we take this head of kitchen to grill on the fire to be more delicious for eating. So now we start to grill. This is chili sauce, everyone. We add more on the kitchen head. Be back it, everyone. It smells so good, but do not know yet about its taste. Wow, it's so good of its smell. Wow, it looks like so yummy, everyone. Woo. I'm mouth-watering when I look at this. But wait for already cooked. Wow. Woo. now we bake the onion all together. Bake like this. This onion we grill to be more delicious for eat with chili sauce and also much vegetable, and then the head of kitchen too. Everybody, so now some of head kitchen already cooked and already grilled it, so we take it, yeah, take it to put like this. Like this. Wow, everyone. Wow, everybody. It looks like so yummy. Wow. So now the head of kitchen already cooked, but we wait for the onion vegetable, everyone. It's already cooked. Wow, it looks like so beautiful when we line it like this. It looks like the flower, everyone. But it's not the flower. It is the food for it. So I'm going to show you about the eating right now, everyone. So want to know about it taste? Let's go with me. I take this one, and then the head of kitchen, everyone. We put it like this. Wow.
Wait.
Put it like this. Wow. It tastes so good, everyone. Wow. It is new style for me. Mmm. Mmm. Thiệt thái luôn. We eat green vegetable, everyone, to be more beautiful. So now I cannot eat anymore because of I'm enough of my eating, everyone. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget, watch me for the next video and help me to subscribe my channel for more new video and also for more new landscape like this to show you for other video too. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye, everyone.